Given a square of side length 1 with an irregular hexagon inscribed in it, we are to find the length of the hexagon sides. The diagram is not drawn to scale. We are given that the side length is 1. So here is the side and it's 1. Here is 1, here is 1, and here is 1. First, all we have to find is the length of the hexagon. We have side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are told in the question that all the sides are equal length, and we have to find the length of one of the hexagon sides. So let us call length of one of the hexagon x. Here will be x. All the length of the hexagon will be x. Because the length of the hexagons are equal, it is an irregular hexagon, so all the angles will not be the same. We have to find the value of x. First, let us start from this triangle. Since this is a square, this angle will be 90 degrees, a right angle. So this triangle is a right angle triangle. So we will be using Pythagoras theorem to find the length of x. So we will need this length and this length. We are given that this side of the square is 1. This length is x. So this length will be 1 minus x. The same here. This length is 1. So we subtract 1 from x. We have 1 minus x as well. Now that we have gotten the three sides of the triangle, we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem to find the value of x. Pythagoras theorem says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So x here is our hypotenuse. And we will have x squared equals to open bracket 1 minus x close bracket squared plus open bracket 1 minus x close bracket squared. Now let us expand this bracket on the right hand side. Now when we open up the bracket, we have this x squared equals to 1 plus x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus x squared minus 2x. Now we simplify it and we have this. So let us subtract x squared from both sides of the equation. We are going to have x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have a quadratic equation here. So we are going to use quadratic formula to solve. The quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Here, a is 1, is the number in front of x, b is minus 4, and c is 2. Now, let us substitute the values into our quadratic equation. So we are going to have this, and when we simplify, we have this. Our answer here will be equals to x equals to 4 plus or minus root 8 all over 2. Here we have two solutions. So we now have to check which of these will be a solution. Now let us check which of these will be a solution. Remember that this length is 1 and x is part of this length. So x have to be less than 1. Now let us check for this first value. This root is 8. It is a positive number. Assuming that the 8 is not even there and we divide 4 by 2, the answer will be greater than 1. So we cannot accept this because this is going to be bigger than the side of this square. So let us check for the second one. X2 equals to 4 minus 2 root 2 all over 2. Now 2 is common here in the numerator. We factor it out. So x2 equals to 2 will divide 2. x2 will be equals to 2 minus root 2. So our x here is 2 minus root 2. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.